So this is a really high quality mouse that I want to try out. I already used its cable for something a long time ago. I'm going to solder a new cable on it and I'm going to see if it still works. And that's how you know it's high quality. It says it right there. So it's worth a shot, I think. It's a really small, comfortable laptop mouse. Really easy to use. And if it works, I'll make the click silent. And hopefully it will work better than my other mouse. This is from Logitech. It's wireless and it's behaving kind of weird lately. I don't know why. So that's why I want to try a wired mouse. So let's take it apart. Yep. Zoom out. Maybe. Yeah, it sounds. It looks. Sounds okay. Oh boy. This is worn. This is kind of stupid. The wheel click. It doesn't have any bearing or something. It just sits on the button and it scrapes. This is kind of stupid. But I don't use that anyway. I just use the scroll usually. Maybe it will be okay. So let's use this cable from a keyboard. The wires are the same. V, G, D, D, C, D, G, V. What? What's a C? The black, I know what it is. Maybe. Not really. What? Why do they use different markings? Nothing on the other side. So, yeah. Oh, we can look at the LED. It says positive. So the leg of the LED goes right here. The positive goes to the red. Okay, that's a start. And the black one should be the ground. Black. It goes into the sensor chip, whatever it is. I don't know. Maybe this was a PS2 mouse? Let me look up this model. MP20 Blow mouse. It's still available. Ooh. Wait, this is not it. Wrong picture or something. Oh, here it is. It doesn't say if it's USB. What? What? Oh, it's USB. Okay. And 1000 dpi. That should be good enough. My main mouse, the Logitech, it has 800 only. 800 dpi. This should be perfect. But I have to find out how this stupid wiring goes. What happens if I connect it the wrong way? So the blue here on the keyboard, the blue is the grounding. That's pretty obvious. And the white is the voltage, 5 volts. That's interesting. Let me check it out. So, diode mode. Hey, battery low again. 666, the devil, drain my battery. So, let's see the USB plug. So the voltage should be the V should be on the right. No? Then the ground should be this. What's going on here? Oh no, it works. Wait. The ground is on this side. No. This and the ground on this side. Okay. So those are the two. Okay. That's fine. So I found the ground. And the voltage is voltage. Okay. So let's start the process here. Maybe I just cut it and solder on the other side to keep the wires there so I know their color. I just cut them off like that and solder on the other side. So the V and the G is here, which will be the blue and the white, but in reverse order. The ground is the blue and the white is the red, if that makes any sense. So let's see. Yes, the white will be the voltage, the red right here. Yes, voltage, ground, that will be the blue. Yes, and the other two, C, D. How do you decode that? Maybe I can look up the chip, because I know this is pin 1, and I can look up if pin 1 is the positive or the negative. Okay, so let me look this up. Where's the PH8832? PH8832? No, that's maybe FH. Yes, there should be a link here. Alibaba? No. I need schematics. No. Or pinout? Yeah, I'll try it one way. If it doesn't work, then the other way. Whatever, I don't care. So, let's try orange and green. Whatever. Focus. Orange. Then green. Now let's put it sort of together. Like that. Just to see if it works. Oh, I can put it together. Put on the top and shit. This is the other way. What? Okay. Let's put the cable in place. If we're doing this right. Sort of. Maybe. Like that. And put on the cap. Oh, the video is almost over. The 13-minute limit. Let's try it really quick. Plug it in. Yes, it works. Look, look, it lit up. It works. Kinda nice. Okay. This is a mission complete. Mission accomplished. Wow, and it's precise. Okay. Haha.